kind of car is this, man? Look at this shit. The exhaust is pissing. The exhaust is pissing out of this thing. Dre, what year is this? 03 Hyundai Accent. Yeah, it's pissing out of the exhaust. That's some crazy shit right there. Tell me what you think that is. Crazy. It's normal to have some condensation coming out your exhaust, but just not that much though. Like that's just what y'all think that is? No, guys, we put a flex pipe on this. Yeah, just a quick flex pipe, real easy. But what happened was the customer was driving for so long with the flex pipe broke that a bunch of water was getting inside of it. So once we started it, you know, it was spitting out that water for a few minutes, but it cleared up. But I just wanted to see if you guys, you know, can imagine what it could have been or possibly what it was. But yeah, just a broken flex pipe, water buildup. It cleared out after like 5 minutes. So she good. She sound much better too. Yup, and she need a tire. But we're gonna do that later.